Hey guys! I don't even know what time it is, but I know it's getting kind of late. And I'm still doing some weekend cleaning. But I wanted you to say hi to Sammy. And I know a lot of people have been missing Baby. Baby, can you say hi? Say hi! Can you say hi? Eat it. Yes, you eat an apple. You want zucchini? No, it's zucchini. Kind of looks like an apple, but it's a zucchini. Can you say hi? No, say hi. Say hi. Are you silly? Are you silly? Here, Botan, you want... Here, Sammy, you can have one. And Botan needs one. Here, Bot. Here you go, honey. Here, Sam. We got Django over there and Rocker. What are you doing, baby? Come here. Come say hi to everyone. Say hi. Can you say hi? You want an apple? Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? You want this? You want the zucchini? This is Sammy's dinner that I'm giving it to him in a bowl. You don't want this. Can you say hi? Say hi! Here's Sammy. You want one? Is that good? Is that good? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Here's Sam. How you doing with yours, Spot? You doing good? Baby! So, we have been just hanging out today. I'm doing some baking again today. Oh, Sammy, that smile. That smile. Baby, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. You're silly. Can you talk? Can you say apple? Apple? Eat it? Baby. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Sammy. Sammy. Is that good? Is that good, zucchini? Baby, come on, talk. They've been missing you. Where do you want to go? You dancing? You dancing? You want to go down to Botan? You want to go to Botan? Baby! You want to come here? Come here. Step up. Step up. Come here. Let's talk to everyone. Let's talk. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Do you believe this baby doesn't want to talk? Here, Sam. Do you need more, Bot? You need another one? Here you go. Sammy! Sammy! Baby! Hi! No talking tonight, huh? You want to fly? You want to fly? Baby! Baby! I can't get anything out of Baby tonight. Here you go, Sam. Are you done already? Oh my goodness, you're eating more than Sam, I think. Baby? Say hello. Apple? Apple, apple? Apple? Can you sing? I left my heart. Nothing? Absolutely nothing tonight? Baby, you're the bird that never is quiet, and now you're quiet. Here you go, Sammy. Where's Botan? Botan's making a mess. It's Sammy. Hi, Smiley. Hi, Smiley. Baby, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Not even a bye-bye? What is going on with you? Well, I guess baby's being quiet. I can't make a bird talk if he doesn't want to. That's it, Sammy. You got 2 more. You got 2 more and that's it. And we're all done. Ready? 1 more, handsome. And that's it. Alright, we're not getting anything out of baby, but at least you got to see him. I know a few people love to see him. Apple? Apple? What do you do with an apple? What do you do with an apple? What do you do with it? Are you silly? Are you silly? Baby. Hi, baby. Apple? What do you do with an apple, baby? You eat it? You eat it? Apple? What do you do with an apple? Yes, you eat it. Good boy. Good boy. That's right. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye, guys. We'll see you later. Sammy, say goodbye. Can you give him a smile before we go? Come on, Sam. Can you give him a smile? No one's cooperating with me. No one's cooperating. Anyway, this is the mood everybody's in. They don't want to listen to Mommy. Alright guys, we'll see you later for night-night. Bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Baby.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.